Far away in a greeny village, there was a boy. His name was James, and there was a lost dog. His name was Toby. James loved Toby very much and likes to play with him. But this behavior doesn't like James' parent. This makes James very sad, and Toby becomes scared of James' parents, and from there he ran away. It was next day. On this pleasant and sunny day, James was walking on the road, seeing the beauty of nature. James was very happy, and he became more happy when he surprised to see Toby the dog. Toby was also happy when he saw James, and he welcomed James to play with him. After playing a lot, they got tired. They took rest in one place. At that time, James expressed his interest to take him to his house. Knowing this, Toby got so happy. Both James and Toby walked towards home very happily. When James and Toby reached near home, James' mother got angry when she saw James with Toby. James' mother and father repeatedly told James to leave Toby, but Toby's friendliness towards James never failed to leave him forever. From the next day onwards, whenever James go out from the home, Toby the dog always be there with him. When James be in school playing with his friends, Toby used to play and wait outside the school. One day, James and Toby was returning to home after playing in a nearby garden. While walking ahead to home, in nearby he saw a surprising thing. It was a beautiful lotus floating in a pond. James was very much attracted to that beautiful lotus. He was very much interested that he decided to take it from the pond. Toby started to bark to stop James to not to go in the pond. James tried his best to reach near lotus, but due to steep water, James lost his balance and started to drown. Knowing James is in danger, smart Toby immediately ran for search any help. He wanders here and there, but he didn't got anyone nearby. So Toby went near to road to see anyone. And luckily he find one man walking on the road. Toby, the smart dog, immediately came near to that man. Toby started to bark and tried to indicate something to the man and insist to follow with him. The confused man felt something is wrong, so he decided to follow him. When the man reached near the pond, he was shocked to see a boy drowning in the pond. Immediately, he went into the pond and saved the boy. Seeing this, Toby got so happy, and James gave a thankful smile to the man. When three of them reached home, James' parents confused who the strange man is. But when they saw James in a tired and fully wet, James' mother ran to James and asked, "What happened to my poor son?" And then the man explained that how the boy was drowning in the lotus pond, how the smart dog searched for help, how the dog met the man for help, and how the man saved the boy from drowning in the pond. Hearing this, James' father thanked the man, and James' parents thanked Toby the smart dog. And from that day onwards, Toby became the member of the family, and James' parents start to love Toby very much. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.